Or just us. I
have the driver's seat, the passenger seat, the thing in the back is the big metal box.
Well, she should do pretty well other than high centering. Traction-wise, she shouldn't have any problem.
Mom, when we load up, you gotta be looking for me.
Why?
Because the policeman said that I could ride with him.
The policeman?
He is the policeman.
To get on his side.
Next time they're called out to the house, we'll know one of them.
No, but the whole point is, he said he was a good friend to the show, and I talked to him about some things.
Hey, Mike.
It was actually kind of sad how many
Mike,
cops
did
come
we lose
to
Trevor
that apartment every night.
Oh, okay.
We came from Fort Campbell, and they were on our street every night.
I didn't know where he was.
Pretty much the corner of East Buzzfeed.
Oh, he's down there.
Oh, there he is. Where the hell did he go?
Where's Joe? That hurt. Find him.
They do on the weekends we sit out at the picnic table and have a couple of drinks with the neighbors and neighbor girl. But one of the apartments down the way, they're always causing trouble, so they're always walking through. You guys see anything? We heard it though.
That's why we're liking it where we're at, because I mean, it's so quiet. Where we was at Fort Campbell, I mean, 10 to 12 cop cars on our street a night. You know, it just got old after a while.
How long are you going to be here?
I think at least 2 years.
You should look at getting like 4 acres. Manufactured homes. It's cheaper to do that.
Doggy got thirsty.
Yeah, we live on base though. Yeah.
What's that dog's Nicky?
Who?
The dog?
Time to get out of here, Susie.
Never heard
People
of
look like
him.
midgets.
Tom? Tom, what's your dog's name?
Mackenzie.
Mackenzie.
Just like that.
Well, we had a payphone.
You come like that.
Someone busted the door and the kids were going in there prank calling them.
Come up.
Cops kept coming over.
Come up.
See anyone on the payphone?
Perfect.
About 3 times in one night, we're looking at her going, well, we keep seeing kids running around.
Perfect. Keep going. It's awesome.
Wow.
Young president.
There you go. Way to go, Susan. Hey. You showed me up.
Okay, before you get out.
But wait.
Smell the new car.
Wait. To make myself feel better.
You just see that rock you kicked up, took up, and moved it.